Hi kids, it's me, Kitty, and today we're visiting the Sea Life Centre. Let's see how many sea creatures we can spot. There's all different types of sea creatures here, like sharks, sea turtles, and even big massive crabs. Let's hope they don't escape and try to chase us. Come on kids, let's have fun! Yay!
Oh, here he is, here he is. Wow, he's the big one.
Kitty here. This big turtle is called the green sea turtle. This big turtle can live for up to 80 years. The green sea turtle is endangered, which means there isn't a lot left of them in the wild. We need to look after our planet and all the creatures on it so they can live safe, long lives. She eats seaweed and seagrass. This is why we have to put our rubbish in bins, as it gets in the sea and hurts the turtles.
Why do we use scatter feeding? Well, if I was just to pop this all in one big go, and it's a big lump, it will cause a little bit of a feeding frenzy, and we don't want that to happen. We want to make sure everybody gets well fed, so this is for everybody, and we're not fighting all over it all in one place. Now, in our stingray bay, we have our common cow-nose rays. So these are the guys, the top half is light grey, and they have white undersides. Why are they called cow-nose rays? Well, that's just because their head is shaped like a cow's nose. We also have some more of those stingrays in our ocean display, which is just next door. You might have seen them when you're going through the ocean tunnel. You might see a few of them swimming above your head. Well, those are our cow-nose rays. Now, as they're swimming past the display, you probably think these guys look really happy and look like they're smiling. They probably are. I mean, they've got lots to be smiling about, and these guys are very sociable creatures. A group of rays is known as a fever, and fevers of these particular rays have been seen off the coast of Mexico and Florida, with numbers of up to 10,000. Imagine that, 10,000 of those rays all in one place. That is really exciting. Now they can live for about 20 years, and we've got a good mixture of...
Hey kids, did you enjoy looking at all the different types of sea creatures? I know little Mia did. Did you spot the cow-nosed rays getting fed as they speeded around? Did you spot the big Japanese spider crabs that were massive, the size of an adult? It was fun today at the Sea Life Centre, and I hope you all had fun watching. Come join us again to see where we go next on our adventures with Kitty and little Mia. Bye guys, have fun. Yay!